Today I'll be working alternator Mitsubishi Mirage. So first what you need to do is open the hood. There's a pop-up and there's a latch. Goes up here. Before you take the alternator out, you gotta unplug the battery. You need some gloves, 10mm. Disconnect the ground, then disconnect the plus. So what you want to do is take this hose out of the way. Take it, you got this screw right here. It's 12mm. That way you can move it if you need to. Now we're gonna loosen. If you want to, you can mark it. I already marked mine where it's supposed to be, or make sure it's tight when you put it back on. So I'm gonna loosen this, then this one will take it off. And it's 12mm. To loosen it, you have to go this way. And loosen this one too. Now this is loose. Take this, just like that. Take it off. That's just to adjust it. To take it off, you gotta loosen this bolt. So next, there's one more nut over there. I don't know if you can see it. It's right on the bottom. So what you need is 14mm. You can either raise up the car and do it from the bottom, or you can take this, go under the wires. I don't know if you can see it, but it's in there. Once you've got it loose, you can move this, take the belt off, and then you have more room to work on. I don't know if you can see, it's right there. It has a nut, a washer. It's like a locking washer. And then this bolt just popped out. Show you in a second what it looks like. Just like this. Once that's out, what you want to do is take this, move it, maybe put this bolt in here so it will hold this so it doesn't go anywhere. So what you want to do is kind of wiggle it for it to come out of the spot. Once it's out, be careful because there's still wires on it. Flip it. Just like that. Then grab a flathead. Take this out, press on it. There you go, and then one more right here. That should be, I believe, number 12. Make sure there's a nut and a locking washer. Once that, put that out of the way. So you can probably take this off and it'll come off, but I don't want to mess with this. It is pretty tricky to take it off without taking this off. So first get this plug out of the way. Let's see. It's just clicks like that. Make sure you plug it in later. Just like that, and it should come out. There you go. It's a little bit of struggle, but it comes out. So once it's out, you can go to the nearest battery alternator shop and let them test it if it's working right. And then you can either get a new one, they're expensive, or you can get a rebuilt one, which is the gifts and warranty. So it's good to get rebuilt if you want to get a better price. That's what I'm gonna do, and I'll see you when I put it back in.